how to learn piano chords, here is a very fast summary of what you can do. Hi, I'm April from Piano Lessons Info, here to answer this question today. So if you are wanting to learn piano chords, here is the summary of what you can do. First, learn some basic chords, the ones on the white notes. Okay, C, F, G, A minor, E minor, D minor. Next, learn all the major and all the minor chords, unless you can skip the super hard ones if you want. Next, learn 7th and minor 7th chords. Okay, and then learn to understand scales and keys. Next, learn more about chord theory. And then finally, start playing songs and add chords you know to your repertoire. So you can filter in songs all through these different steps, but that's basically how you can go about learning chords. Start easy, play an easy song, add a new chord, play an easy song, add a new chord, play an easy song, until you start getting confident and comfortable in what you're doing. But the critical thing is, first learn a few chords, then learn to understand them. So to do that, you need to understand scales and key signatures. And then you need to just figure out how to play them in a way that makes them sound good. Okay, but the first step is really learning the notes of individual chords. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.